In this video, I am going to show you 5 ways to make your Chrome fast and good. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for any latest updates. Let's get started. You can see whenever you go to any web page, it takes some time to load full page. For that, search here. Chrome :/flags. This is the Chrome hidden settings. Search here quick protocol. Now enable it and relaunch Chrome. Now your web pages don't take so much time to load. If your PC have any GPU, this setting is for you. Got to Chrome flags again. Search here. GPU rasterization. Enable it and hit relaunch. Now your PC use your GPU for render websites. Because of this, you can see more animations in websites. If you have low RAM PC, go to Chrome flags. Here, search zero copy rasterization and enable it. Now Google, take less usage of RAM and your PC will not lag. If your internet is good but Google can't get full download speed, go to Chrome flags again. Search here, parallel downloading enable and hit relaunch. Now Google split the file and download it fast. Download any GIF from any website. Open new tab. Click here. Go for change theme. Now click here and select the GIF you just download. It's look very sick. If this video helps you, so please subscribe and click the bell icon for any latest update.